Yes! Yes! Oh, yes!
What the fuck is that?
Go ahead. Make my day.
I wasn't playing with myself in the bathtub. I was just cleaning it and it went off.
Ew! Run, Forrest, run! Run, Forrest!
My shorts are chafing me.
Well, I'll bet the neighbors are just loving this.
Can I see your driving license, sir?
No, you may not!
Yummy!
Somebody stop me!
Hubba hubba. Oh great, just jump all over me, why don't you? Just jump all over me.
I gotta pay.
I'm looking for a heat-seeking moisture missile, a tallywhacker, a meat whistle, a one-eyed trouser trout, a pump handle with a sticky spout, a bald-headed giggle stick is what I'm dreaming of. I'm looking for a throbbing python of love.
Wait a minute! No, that was fun!
Oh, I'm such a little devil.
One more word out of you and you go. Is that clear?
Ouch!
Oh, shut up. Stop acting like a fag choir boy.
I'm as mad as hell, and I'm not gonna take this anymore!
Well, you look perfectly idiotic in those clothes.
These aren't my clothes.
Well, where are your clothes?
I've lost my clothes.
Well, why are you wearing these clothes?
Because I just went gay all of a sudden.
Oh, look at here. Looks like somebody threw away a perfectly good white boy.
2 beers, bartender. I'll take 2 beers, too.
I am the smartest man alive!
Oh.